Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If this is your first time gracing us with your presence, hello darling, settle in. How are you? Have a seat, have a glass of wine, cup of tea, whatever your jam is, and settle in for a good one. If you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? Are you having a good day? You are gorgeous. Did anyone tell you that today? Yes. Hi darlings, make sure that you comment and sound off in the comment section down below. Say hello. I love chatting with you guys, love catching up, love, you know, talking about all things luxury, all things fashion, plus size fashion, skin beauty, green beauty, hair, you name it. Let's just chat about it. So hit me up in the comments down below. Okay, so this one, looking back on some of my videos, looking back on the last couple of months on my channel, just, you know, looking at the videos that I've done, and I realized that it has been about a year since I purchased this item. So I wanted to give a little bit of a review. How's it doing? You know, do we still like it? Was it worth our coins? At the end of the day, let's keep it 100. We want to know, was it worth the buy, right? And when I'm talking about my collection, cultivating and curating this perfect collection for myself, just me, my collection, I'm always looking at those core pieces, those classic pieces. I realized it's been about a year since I purchased this particular item, and I wanted to know, you know, was it worth it? How did it do? Would I buy it again? Is it a forever piece for me? Or was this something that was just, you know, good for the moment, but not something I can see myself using forever? And here it is. You ready? I have it in its dust bag. This is how I store it, in its dust bag. Looking like a dumpling. And it is the Bumbag. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can tell from the expression on my face, I absolutely love this bag. I can't even hide it. I can't be coy, can't be cute about it. I absolutely love my Bumbag. So this is the Louis Vuitton Bumbag in the monogram print. I'm obsessed with this. I will link my videos. I actually have already done 2 videos on this item, so this is just a quick pop in just to see, you know, how it's holding up 1 year later, 1 year review. But I actually did my unboxing of it on my channel. That was my first video ever on YouTube, and don't go watch that one. That one's too cringy. Don't watch that one. But the next one I did on this one, which again I'll put in the iCard, was what's in my bag, and kind of like, you know, how I was getting on with it at the time. And at that time I had it for a couple of months. I had just started using it, and I really liked it. So here we are a year later. I bought this in Australia last February with my family. I was on holiday with my family, and I got this there to kind of commemorate that trip. And, you know, I wanted to buy something, went in there for something totally different, and one of the essays had this and was like, oh yeah, I got it for a client, but she's decided not to get it. And I ended up getting it and nabbing it, and I absolutely love it. So I did get it at a reduced price because I was in another country, because I live in the US. But yeah, so if you want to see like pricing and differences and all that, you can go ahead and head over to that video and check it out, where I go through the difference of what I paid for it versus what it was in the US at the time. Now I think this runs at about $1,800 US now. I will pop on the screen a product page for this item and the current selling price for it. So I don't know, with the price increases that we've had in the last couple of months, I have not kept up with it to see how much it is currently, but I will pop the number on the screen. But in regards to this bag, I mean, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get into some of the specs of it. Yeah, there's one long strap that's similar to like a belt. It's kind of set up so it's one strap. I'll unhook the strap so you can see it. I am plus size. I wear a US size 16, 18, more so 18 nowadays than 16. we'll talk about that. I think I need a health journey, guys. But so more on the 18 side versus the 16 side right now. And I don't know how much what size my waist is. I haven't done that kind of thing to myself lately, but this is long enough to go around my waist. It is supposed to be, I guess, traditionally like fanny pack style, so you can wear this around your waist, but even at my size I can wear this comfortably around my waist. And I don't mean like it's not struggling, like it actually has a little bit of a hang to it, so it is very generous. The strap is really generous. So on the last hoop, you know, it's quite massive. So you can wear it that way. I don't normally wear it that way. Oh, and by the way, I just want to show you how the strap is holding up. Now I don't normally take it off of the setting that it was on, so I just wanted you to see that it has a little bit of rippling happening, but nothing crazy, no staining. And perhaps because I haven't been outside that much, it is not there isn't any tan lines. Like, you know how it can get like a bit dark, or excuse me, the strap will get dark and it will patina, but the part where this part right here, I don't know what all the bits of the belt are called, but this part right here is blocking the sun and it will make like a tan line, and underneath here will be light. It has not done that. So perhaps because I haven't worn it out in the sun as often as maybe I would in normal times, but yeah, it has no tan lines on it, which is fantastic. It has been patina. I mean, the patina on this is really beautiful. I did spray this with Apple Guard, so I did protect it, you know, when I first got it. It has this beautiful strap. I don't normally wear it fanny pack style around the waist, even though, like I said, it does fit around my waist comfortably, and that's where I have the majority of my weight, is around my lower half of my body. So and it fits very comfortably, but I don't wear it that way. I normally wear it chest, across the chest. Which way do I do it? Which way? I think I do it like this. Yeah, I'll do it like this. So this is how I normally wear it, and it's like so easy to just get in, get what you gotta get. I'm not super busty, so this is super comfortable for me, but I go in, get what I gotta get, close it up. It's super handy. I remember going out with this, I want to say it was like November time, and went out, and this was my bag for the day. Got a flat tire, ended up stuck in another state for a couple of days, and this was the bag that I had, and it was the perfect bag. I mean, I dragged this thing around with me everywhere. We went to different tire shops trying to find tires, and I went to Target with it. I had coffee with it, I had breakfast with it, checked into a room, like, I mean, you know, everything. And it was just hands-free, it was worry-free, like it was just such a great little bag. I mean, I have nothing but amazing things. It performed amazingly in that situation. You can carry it top handle like this. I don't tend to do that, but you can. It's just amazing. So pocket here in the front, which is one big open pocket we'll get into in a second, and then it has this little slip pocket here in the back, and the slip pocket here in the back is big enough to fit I was looking around for my phone, but I don't know where it is now, but it can fit like a phone in here. You can fit your keys, you can fit a 6-ring key holder in here, you can fit some cash. Like, it's very generous. Like, you know, it's very deep, so there's a lot can fit in there. It's a really great when you don't want to have to open and close the main compartment. Fantastic. I have no complaints here. I'll show you guys some close-ups so you can get a little bit closer and see how the canvas has held up, especially around the zipper. This was a concern for me initially because the zipper has this kind of lip or flap that goes over it like that. That's a little bit of I was concerned, because how do you get opened, how do you get into that without damaging the canvas over time? And let me tell you, no problems. I mean, I open it with no problem. It opens up, you just flip up that little lip, and then you have a little bit of extra security there too. I do keep mine stuffed with air paper, and you should see that even if I have the cutaways up, you should see that as well. And then it's got one big humongous opening there. There are some folks that have put organizers in these. I don't know. I like that because it gets super mushy. I mean, when it's empty, when there's nothing in there, it is a super mushy bag. But I absolutely love that. You could fit a water bottle in here, like a little water bottle could fit in there. You could fit, you know, I mean, this is a great bag to take on if you're going on like to an amusement park, or if you're traveling. I mean, this is a great bag for that. It really just amazing. I have nothing bad to say about this. So 1 year in, the patina on this is super even. It looks really fantastic. Even, I mean, if you look at the tab inside, the made in France tab inside versus the tab on the outside, they're almost similar. So the patina on this has been super minimal, but that could also be because I sprayed it down with Apple Guard, so it has been protected. And one thing I can say about spraying down your item with Apple Guard is that when it does darken, because it still will darken, that's the nature of the leather, it is supposed to darken. So as it darkens, from what I've experienced so far, and I have sprayed every one of my pieces, I think, that have Vachetta with the Apple Guard, it patinas super even. So it gets this beautiful kind of like very light tan, you know, kind of color, and then ultimately goes into that honey kind of color. But it is just, I mean, this bag has been standing up. So was it worth it? Yeah, it was. Yes, absolutely. This is a super amazing piece. It is a workhorse. Can you wear this to like the office and so on? Well, I mean, depending on what your office situation is like, yes, but in most cases, no. This is definitely more of your casual bag. This is your weekend bag. This is your, you know, your everyday kind of throw around bag, go and run errands and that kind of thing. But is it something that you would, you know, kind of dress up? I mean, you can try. I've seen some, you know, some YouTubers and some ladies really do some things to this and jazz it up and make it amazing. But ultimately, this is more casual for me, a more casual look. But that's kind of the life that we're living right now anyway, so it suits me just fine. I have worn this so many times. I'll throw this in a bigger bag and then take this with me and like, you know, as I'm getting out of the car and going into a shop or running into a grocery store or what have you, I'll drag this with me. It's amazing when you go grocery shopping, when you're shopping for you know, when you're at the you know, shopping for plants and so on, you're at Home Depot shopping for things, just so if any place you want to be hands-free and you don't have to worry about fussing and touching up on your bag, or you don't want to put your bag in a shopping cart, this is the one for you. So it's an amazing mom bag as well. If you are a mom of older children, so you're out of baby bags, but yet you still have to carry stuff for the little ones, or you still have to have, you know, be hands-free to hold on to your kids. You're not necessarily, you know, doing diapers and baby bottles, but you prefer to be hands-free. This is it. So I love it. Nothing bad to say. Comment down below if you have this bag. Are you loving it? Are you not loving it? Have you been on the fence about it and been like, I don't know if I really need that bag in my collection? I can tell you, this is a forever piece for me. I never would have said that before about a bum bag. I would have thought that no, it's going to get so outdated, but no, it is so handy, so useful. I can see so many purposes for this. Like, I can't see this going out of fashion. Even if you don't want to wear it in the traditional sense, even wearing it crossbody, wearing it, you know, on the shoulder, wearing it even slung across your back, it's fantastic. Nothing bad to say about this. So comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Would love to hear it. But for me, the bum bag is a forever piece. So nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. I like this series, this kind of how's it going series. Do you still like it? Is it worth our coin? So you may see some more of those as I go through my collection, as I look back on my videos over the past you know, year almost of doing videos, and as we get closer to our 1K goal, if you go back in my videos and you want to see like something that I've done and you want to see like how's it going, or do you still like it, or was it worth the coins, hit me up in the comments and let me know, and I'll be happy to do those videos for you. All right, other than that, I'm out. It's been amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye. Bye.